Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we got the MetaQuest 3 and we're going to look at how you can remove the stock head strap that comes on it. Now what I like to do first is remove the pieces that are attached to the arms here, and if you look underneath you can see that there's a bit of plastic here. I like to put my thumb underneath the arm and then with my finger there pull back on that piece of plastic and it just pulls right off. We'll do that on this bottom side as well. There we go. And now what we can go in and do is undo this Velcro. If it's loose enough, you might be able to pull it through, but often what you're going to need to do is remove our facial interface. To do that, you're going to want to pinch on the top and the bottom towards the right side or the left side and wiggle and pull backwards. Now, if it doesn't all come off at once, sometimes one side is released, just do the exact same thing on the other side. Now we've got a lot more space. You can pull that through and you are good to go. So now you could go in and add a new head strap. Like here I've got the Kiwi Design K4 Boost. You could put in the exact same way, just opposite, and then you'd have a nice new head strap you can use. Maybe you just wanted to take this off to clean it or something, but if you are going to put it back on, do this top piece first before you put the facial interface back on. Otherwise it's going to be really hard to feed that through. If you wanted to put the facial interface back on at this point, just line up those spots, push it in until you feel it click, give it a little pull. If it stays, then you're good to go. Then for the arms here, I like to line up the backs first, and then just apply some even pressure towards the front, and you could hear it click on. Back, put some even pressure towards the front, and it clicks right in, and you're good to go. So that's how you can remove the stock head strap. If you haven't checked out my other reviews or videos of reviewing a ton of different head straps, I would highly recommend looking into getting a different one. They have Halo head straps. These are Elite style head straps, extra batteries, super useful things to look into. I'll link that playlist so you can check out all those videos if you're interested. If you have any questions about this setup though, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Check out my playlist of other MetaQuest tips. Again, I'll link that one in the description as well for you. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.